Today, we're at 961 Rock Elm Drive in Auburn, Georgia, in the Brookside Crossing subdivision. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and many other special features. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go inside. What a welcoming entry. Plus, it opens into the formal dining area, which can be used as an office or piano room or anything that you want. Check out this incredible kitchen, which has a huge island with the ability to sit at it. You've got so many cabinets and lots of counter space, plus breakfast area, and opens to the family room with a nice fireplace with gas logs. What a great master bedroom suite. Nice space, luxury master bath, and the laundry room is right off of the master bedroom for convenience. Check out the master bath as well as the huge walk-in closet. What a great home. One other special feature is this private gated exit over to the amenities. Makes it really convenient for going to the swim tennis area. Plus, this Brookside Crossing feeds into the premier Mulberry Elementary. Please let us know if you'd like to set up a private showing, and we'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.